Hey everyone, welcome back to Repairs to Go. In today's video, we are tackling a charging port replacement on the Nokia 7.2. If your device isn't charging properly, constantly disconnects, or only charges at certain angles, the charging port might be worn or damaged. I'll walk you through the complete repair process, from opening the device to replacing the charging port board, so you can bring your Nokia 7.2 back to life. Let's get started. To replace the charging port on the Nokia 7.2 without disconnecting the battery, carefully apply a small amount of 99% isopropyl alcohol along the seam where the back glass meets the midframe. Let the alcohol seep in for about 1 to 2 minutes to help break down the adhesive. Gently insert a plastic opening pick or a thin prying tool into the gap, working around the edges slowly and patiently while occasionally reapplying isopropyl alcohol to stubborn areas. This method helps safely release the adhesive without the risk of overheating or damaging internal components. You can also use a heat gun or a hairdryer to soften the adhesive near the main camera. Be cautious not to overheat the phone and avoid prolonged exposure to high heat. Be patient and careful. The adhesive may require some effort to loosen. Avoid forcing the cover and apply more heat if needed. Be especially careful near the camera area as it may be more fragile. Once the back cover is off, you should see the fingerprint sensor, likely with a connector attached to the motherboard. Carefully remove the 2 screws securing the flex cable to the phone's frame or the sensor itself. Flex cables are delicate and can be easily damaged. Use a plastic pry tool or your fingernail to carefully lift the connector. Be extremely careful not to damage the connector or the cable. Remove the Phillips screws securing the speaker housing and gently lift it out to reveal the charging port board and its connections. Without disconnecting the battery, carefully identify the flex cable and antenna connections attached to the charging board. Using a plastic spudger or tweezers, gently disconnect these flex cables, taking care not to damage any nearby components. Unscrew any remaining screws that secure the charging board to the chassis. Once free, use tweezers to lift out the old charging board from its position. Take your replacement charging port board and align it precisely in the original slot, ensuring that the port is seated correctly and all contacts line up. Reinstall the loudspeaker module and secure it with the original screws. Reconnect the flex cables and antenna wires firmly, double-checking that all components are securely fastened and nothing is misaligned. Before sealing the phone, give the area a quick visual inspection to ensure no parts are left loose. Apply new adhesive strips around the edges of the frame. Don't forget to reconnect the fingerprint sensor flex cable before sealing it back. Carefully realign the back glass panel and press it down evenly and firmly until it is flush with the frame. If needed, use clamps or rubber bands to hold the back in place while the adhesive sets. Power on the phone and plug in a USB-C cable to confirm that the new charging port is functioning correctly and stable under normal use. Thanks for watching this repair guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Repairs to Go for more phone and computer repair tutorials. Shout out to Board Vlogger and Rose-Colored Glasses Logan. See you in the next one.